Unraveling the mysteries of the human body and the ailments that plague it has been a relentless pursuit of humankind. From ancient times, through the Middle Ages right up to the 21st century, medical breakthroughs have been pivotal in advancing our understanding of health and disease. These discoveries have not only increased our lifespans but have also improved the quality of our lives. They've helped us combat deadly diseases, understand our own biology, and even manipulate it to our advantage. In this video, we'll journey through time, tracing the footsteps of our medical ancestors. We'll explore the remarkable discoveries they made, the challenges they faced, and the legacy they left behind. From the dawn of medicine to the birth of modern medicine and beyond, we'll delve into the enigma of these medical discoveries. So buckle up as we embark on this journey through time, exploring the world of medical discoveries. Our journey begins in the ancient world, where the foundations of medicine were laid. Picture, if you will, the cradle of civilization, where the first seeds of medical knowledge were sown. The ancients were keen observers of nature and its myriad mysteries. They harnessed the power of plants, creating herbal medicine that served as their first line of defense against disease. These early apothecaries were the predecessors of today's pharmacists, their wisdom distilled into the potions and pills that populate our modern medicine cabinets. Then, imagine the audacity of prehistoric surgeons who dared to delve into the human skull, performing procedures known as trepanation. With rudimentary tools and an understanding of the body that was, at best, primitive, these bold individuals attempted to cure ailments by drilling holes into the human skull. A terrifying thought to us perhaps, but to them, it was a leap of faith, a testament to the human spirit's relentless pursuit of knowledge and healing. Now, let's stroll down the marbled halls of ancient Greece, where the revered physician Hippocrates penned his famous oath. This declaration, a solemn vow to uphold ethical standards, respect patient privacy, and strive for the benefit of the sick, laid the groundwork for the ethical code of conduct that guides medical professionals even today. The Hippocratic Oath, despite its age, remains a cornerstone of medical ethics, its principles echoing in the hallowed halls of hospitals and clinics worldwide. These early practices, steeped in tradition, superstition, and an earnest desire to heal, were the stepping stones on the path to modern medicine. They taught us to observe, to question, to experiment. They instilled in us a sense of respect for life and the responsibility that comes with the power to heal. From these humble beginnings, medical practice began to evolve, leading to groundbreaking discoveries. Every medical breakthrough, every life saved, every disease conquered, stands as a testament to these ancient pioneers who dared to dream of a world free from the shackles of disease and suffering. Their legacy is our inheritance, the dawn of medicine that heralded the birth of a discipline that continues to evolve, innovate, and inspire. As we move into the Renaissance, the human body became a subject of fascination and exploration. This was an era marked by the rise of anatomical discoveries, a time when the hidden mysteries of the human body were gradually unveiled. It was a period of intellectual curiosity, and the human anatomy was no exception to this thirst for knowledge. Among the many pioneers of this era, two names stand out: William Harvey and Andreas Vesalius. William Harvey, an English physician, was the first to accurately describe the circulatory system. Before Harvey, the prevailing belief was that blood was consumed by the body and then regenerated. But Harvey, through careful observation and meticulous experimentation, proposed a radical idea: blood circulates. He suggested that the heart was the engine driving this circulation, pumping blood throughout the body in a continuous loop. This was a groundbreaking discovery, altering the course of medical science. Around the same time, Andreas Vesalius, a Flemish anatomist, was making his own landmark discoveries. He meticulously dissected human bodies, challenging the long-held beliefs established by the ancient Greeks. His most significant contribution was his detailed description of the human skeletal system. Vesalius's work laid the foundation of modern anatomy, offering an accurate and comprehensive understanding of the human skeleton. These discoveries were not just scientific triumphs, they were paradigm shifts. They challenged conventional wisdom and reshaped our understanding of the human body. They showed us that the body was not a collection of independent parts, but a complex and interconnected system. They demonstrated that to understand disease, one must first understand the normal functioning of the body. These anatomical discoveries also had profound implications for the practice of medicine. They paved the way for surgeries, for effective treatments, and for a deeper understanding of diseases. They marked the transition from a time of speculation and superstition to an era of evidence and reason. These anatomical discoveries paved the way for more complex medical breakthroughs. The 19th and 20th centuries ushered in an era of revolutionary medical discoveries. This was a time of profound transformation, a period when the face of medicine as we knew it was about to change forever. One of the most significant breakthroughs of this era was the discovery of antibiotics. Before this time, even the simplest of infections could be a death sentence. Then in the early 20th century, Sir Alexander Fleming stumbled upon penicillin, the first antibiotic, quite by accident. This miracle drug could kill bacteria, turning previously lethal diseases into mere inconveniences. The advent of antibiotics not only saved countless lives, but also revolutionized surgery, making previously risky procedures commonplace and safe. Around the same time, vaccines were beginning to make their mark on the world. The concept of inoculation wasn't new, but the systematic development and widespread distribution of vaccines were. Louis Pasteur, Edward Jenner, and Albert Sabin, among others, developed vaccines for diseases that had once decimated populations, including smallpox, rabies, and polio. These vaccines didn't just treat diseases, they prevented them, giving birth to the concept of preventative medicine. The 19th and 20th centuries also brought about the advent of medical imaging. The development of X-rays, computed tomography, CT, and magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, gave physicians the ability to see inside the human body without making a single incision. This non-invasive insight into the human body revolutionized diagnosis and treatment, making medicine more precise and less risky. These three discoveries, antibiotics, vaccines, and medical imaging, revolutionized healthcare. They transformed medicine from a practice of educated guesswork into a science of precision and prevention. They gave doctors the tools to treat conditions that were once untreatable, to prevent diseases that were once inevitable, and to see inside the human body like never before. These discoveries marked the birth of modern medicine as we know it. The 19th and 20th centuries were a time of medical revolution, a period that set the stage for the advancements we continue to make today. Now, as we stand on the brink of a new era, the future of medicine looks promising. We are entering a time when the boundaries of medicine are being stretched and reshaped with the help of innovative technologies and groundbreaking discoveries. One such discovery that is revolutionizing our approach to disease treatment is CRISPR gene editing. This technology allows us to edit the DNA of living organisms, providing the potential to correct genetic defects, treat and prevent the spread of diseases, and even increase the human lifespan. Imagine a future where genetic disorders like cystic fibrosis or Huntington's disease are simply edited out of existence. Alongside gene editing, another promising area of research is stem cell therapy. These cells are unique in their ability to develop into different cell types in the body, offering a renewable source of replacement cells to treat diseases, conditions, and disabilities. The potential applications of stem cell therapy are vast, from repairing damaged tissue in heart disease patients to reversing the effects of degenerative diseases like Parkinson's. Yet, the future of medicine isn't just about new treatments and therapies. It's also about changing how we deliver healthcare, and that's where artificial intelligence, or AI, comes in. AI has the potential to streamline and personalize healthcare in ways we've never seen before. It can analyze vast amounts of data to predict health trends, automate routine tasks to free up healthcare providers' time, and even assist in diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical images with a level of precision and speed that surpasses human capability. These are just a few examples of the exciting developments in the medical field. The convergence of these technologies and the ongoing research in these areas hold immense potential. They promise a future where diseases are not just managed but prevented or cured. A future where healthcare is more personalized, efficient, and accessible. With these advancements, the future of medicine is not just a dream, but a reality that is within our reach. Looking back, it's clear to see how these medical discoveries have shaped human history. From the earliest understanding of human anatomy, which gave birth to surgical practices, to the advent of antibiotics,